The job search has become a humiliation ritual for a lot of employees and people looking for the next job after they've been laid off, they've been fired, they're not quite sure what the next thing is. But when you see help wanted signs everywhere and people are hiring, but then you find out later that tons of people are applying and the job's not actually ready yet, or they don't even know if they're actually going to launch it. It's become a total humiliation ritual for people looking for jobs. And I think it's disgusting that companies would play this game. And I've never seen anything like it. It's one of the most disgusting things I've seen in my life when it comes to the job, when it comes to the economy and what people are going through, and to play such disgusting games with people's lives is just it's just low level. It's disgusting. And when I see people that have been applying for jobs, whether they're overemployed or they've been applying for months or years, put in hundreds of job applications, you start to wonder, is this just a big game against people? What is actually going on here? And what can you actually do about it? Because a lot of people are in this boat now where they're kind of in this, see, finding a job, and I've been laid off multiple times, so I understand this. Finding a job is like a full-time job in and of itself. But when you're doing the work and you're searching, and then you find out that that's not even available now, or it's not going to be for months, it's just playing with people's lives, their emotions, their finances, and they need clear direction on what to do. And so we have this gap between people that are laid off or they're jobless and they're searching, but they're not quite sure how to either bridge the gap into another job, because you don't even know if it's a real thing or if people are just baiting you. It's like a true bait and switch. Or if you start your own thing, there's hundreds, if not thousands of ways to make money online. And people don't understand the learning curve that it takes to transition over. Now, on this channel for Bossless Income, because I was laid off, and which was multiple times, by the way, eventually I got tired of the whole laid off humiliation that I was going through. And I thought, yeah, I actually was going to take the state exam to do loans. And I realized I don't want to do this. This is just another grind, straight commission, sales job, really. And some people do really well with it. But the thing is when you're in a stressful environment for a long time, that just gets completely old. And so what I realized was I didn't want to do that. Okay, I already set aside this idea of being an entrepreneur because I was frankly burned out at the time, but I decided, you know what? I don't want to have a boss again because that's lousy. It's terrible. It's humiliating. It's and my boss was fine. But this constant, am I going to have a job or not, is just gets really old real fast. So I ended up starting an online business, and within the first 90 days of starting, I was able to replace my full-time income. Now, I wish I would have started a lot sooner, but better late than never. But my point is what I gained from that was being able to go from an employee to laid off to be able to start your own thing. And now you don't need to have a boss or go do the whole job application humiliation ritual. And it's not been easy all the years, but the point is to be able to transition from the job world into the no boss world is 100% worth it. So if you guys want to do that, if you're in this situation where you're like, I'm tired of being humiliated, I don't know what to do, but I do have some goals in my life. I'd like to have my own thing if possible, but I just need some steps on what to do. I want to go ahead and invite you to my workshop that's coming up. I'm deeming it the Bossless Workshop because I want to help you transition out, and I want to show you step by step exactly how to do that. You can find that in the first link into the description, so go ahead and take a look at that. Guys, keep your head up, be encouraged, break away from the boss. It'll be worth it. I'll see you next video.